Hi guys, welcome to Trends Bloggers. Today I'm going to prepare washing machine liquid. Let's see how it will come. So I thought, when I know I can prepare myself, because we usually buy, Ariel or Surf Excel from outside, and it is very costly, as well as it doesn't give what we expect. So let me try this time, how this will come. So guys, this is acid celery which I have taken, and this is soda. So this everything you have to pre-mix and keep it aside with the water. So guys, I have added all the ingredients in this, and now I'm adding color. So I need that ocean color, and light fragrance what we get it in Ariel. So I have given, so I don't want to add more color, so it has come very light ocean color. And now I'm checking the pH level what we have in Ariel. So here Ariel has 7 pH level, so that we can aram say use it. But if you have very hard stain, it will not go. So I wanted to keep pH level 8, so I have kept pH level 8, because I want bit a strong stubborn to go. So that's why I have if you like this video, to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.